Hey everyone! Let's talk about the thing that's changing everything in 2025, artificial intelligence. It's helping people study smarter, earn faster, and even design without skills. From how you study to how you work, AI is everywhere. But don't worry, this video is not boring tech talk. AI won't replace you. Someone who knows how to use AI will. Next up, 5 tools you can start using today. No cost, no coding. Let's go. ChatGPT is your writing buddy. Ask it to write resumes, study plans, or even Instagram captions. Next, Canva AI lets you create stunning visuals like posters, Instagram posts, resumes, or presentations in seconds. Just type what you want, and Magic Design generates a full design you can tweak. It's perfect for beginners, freelancers, and content creators who want to save time and look pro. Want Reels covers or resumes? Canva AI builds it in seconds. Next tool is Pictory. Lets you create full videos without showing your face or recording audio. Just paste your script or blog content, and it adds visuals, music, and subtitles automatically. It's perfect for making Reels, YouTube Shorts, or faceless videos. No face? No mic? No problem. Pictory builds a full video from your script. Next tool is ElevenLabs gives you studio-quality AI voiceovers from just text. You choose a voice, paste your script, and download a natural-sounding audio. Perfect for YouTube, Reels, audiobooks, or explainer videos. It's fast, realistic, and beginner-friendly. Need a voiceover? Just copy-paste. Done. Next tool is Notion AI is like a smart assistant inside your notes. It can write content, organize tasks, build study planners, and even summarize long information instantly. Whether you're a student, creator, or freelancer, it helps you plan faster, write better, and think clearer. Plan your week, take notes, write blogs, all in one app. Today, you've learned the usage of AI tools. Time to apply it. If you found even one new AI tool today, smash that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Skillverse AI for more tools, tricks, and tech to level up your life.